Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can transform an image in Photopea. So before starting, you will select the layer that you would want to transform, and you can, of course, pick from your file and then click open, and then yeah. So basically, you will just have to click your image here, whatever image that you may have. So for example, I would want um to use this image. So basically what I will have to do is select this layer, and then I will go to edit, and then I will choose free transform, and then I will drag the corner handles to scale, or hold shift while dragging to constrain proportions. And then to rotate, you will have to move your cursor near a corner until it changes to a curved arrow, then drag. So yeah, that's basically it. And then yeah, that's it. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.